Subscribe to receive daily videos on natural solutions and cures. 12 surprisingly delicious foods that help you lose weight. Today, we're going to debunk the myth that weight loss means sacrificing taste and enjoyment. Here's a list of 12 delectable and nutritious foods that will help you drop those extra pounds without compromising on flavor. 1. Avocado. First up, we've got the beloved avocado. Not only do these creamy green gems help you feel fuller for longer, but they also lower cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease. Add some avocado to your salad, toast, or just enjoy it straight up for a delicious, weight loss-friendly treat. 2. Greek yogurt. Next on our list is Greek yogurt. This protein-packed and probiotic-rich food is a versatile and tasty addition to your weight loss journey. It helps curb hunger and promotes healthy digestion. Mix it with fruit or use it in recipes for a creamy, guilt-free ingredient. 3. Popcorn. Craving a crunchy snack? Try air-popped popcorn. It's high in fiber and low in calories, which makes it perfect for weight loss. Just be sure to skip the butter and excessive salt to keep it healthy. 4. Almonds. Almonds are another fantastic snack option. These little nuggets are loaded with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, helping you control hunger and prevent overeating. Just remember, moderation is key since almonds are calorie-dense. 5. Quinoa. If you're searching for a nutrient-rich grain, look no further than quinoa. It's packed with protein, fiber, and essential minerals, making it an amazing alternative to traditional carbs. Plus, it'll keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer periods. 6. Berries. Sweet, tangy, and low in calories, berries are the ultimate guilt-free snack or dessert option. They're also high in fiber and antioxidants, which can help curb sugar cravings. 7. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is a fantastic weight loss aid. It helps reduce insulin levels, which in turn can decrease appetite. Enjoy half a grapefruit before your meal or as a refreshing snack. 8. Dark chocolate. Now, here's a treat you wouldn't expect: dark chocolate. In moderation, it can actually help with weight loss. It contains healthy fats, antioxidants, and can satisfy your sweet tooth, which reduces the chances of binge eating. 9. Chili peppers. Want to spice things up? Add some chili peppers to your meals. Capsaicin, the compound that gives chili peppers their heat, can boost your metabolism and help burn fat. 10. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are tiny but mighty. They're full of fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. Incorporate chia seeds into your smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal for a filling and nutritious boost. 11. Green tea. Green tea is well known for its weight loss benefits. Its antioxidants, called catechins, can help increase your metabolism and promote fat burning. So, swap your regular cup of joe for a steaming cup of green tea. 12. Apple cider vinegar. Last but not least, apple cider vinegar. It's been shown to help reduce belly fat and curb appetite. Try using it as a salad dressing or add a tablespoon to a glass of water. With these 12 delicious and nutritious foods, losing weight doesn't have to be a bland and tasteless journey. By incorporating these items into your daily meal plan, you'll not only feel satisfied but will also be on track to achieving your weight loss goals. Remember, the key to long-lasting results is a balanced, sustainable approach to eating and exercise. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos on natural solutions and cures.